Welcome to Mr. Mitsubishi YouTube channel that covers a lot of Outlander stuff. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Help the channel grow. It helps a lot, matters a lot. So today we'll have a look at this really nice Outlander, and it is a Canadian spec 2022 Mitsubishi Outlander LE Premium. So the trim levels, and we've covered all of them in our channel before. So the upgrades, what you get from ES to SC, from SC to LE, and now we'll have a look what you get if you upgrade from LE to LEP, or LEP, like P stands for premium, so LEP upgrade. I will link these videos, or the previous upgrade videos, in the description, so that way if you're interested to see what other options you get on some other ones, you can do so conveniently. So but today we'll have a look at this. So this one here is LEP, and it's a LE upgraded to premium, and it costs $500, 500 Canadian dollars to get this upgrade, and you basically get the interior upgrade, and it is faux suede interior upgrade and power driver's seat. So let's check those upgrades right now. Okay, and here we have the LE Premium. This is titanium gray, beautiful color, by the way. I really like how this gray color mixes in with the wheels and the chrome elements and the black elements around the car. So it looks really nice. I like it a lot. Okay, but now let's have a look at what the premium upgrade is. So the premium upgrade is all about the interior. So you do get the interior visual upgrade essentially. So this is not a cloth interior. So this is the faux suede, and then we can see this is the suede seats with white stitching and leather siding. Like the leather side is here, and then the faux suede is right here. We can see how nice and soft it is. It feels really good. So this kind of interior, actually, a lot of sports cars, you gotta pay extra to get this type of interior, and this one here is just for 500 bucks. You can get this upgrade. Now, with the regular LE, you get a lot of options. You spend, like we covered in one of the videos before, to upgrade from SC to LE, just over $3,000. Bunch of things comes extra. But this one here, from LE to LEP, only $500, and you get this awesome looking seats. You get these second row seats like that as well. So basically same theme with faux suede right here, and the stitching. So it looks really sharp. And you also do get the 8-way power driver seat, right? So this is the first trim level that comes with power seats. I think it's an important upgrade. You still don't have the memory seats, anything like that, but at least they're power. But the biggest thing is just how the vehicle looks with the interior. In real life, if you open the door between LE and LE Premium, I gotta say the difference is quite big. The second you see it, the second you notice it. So I would definitely highly recommend this upgrade if you're thinking about one or the other, and especially you're paying only 500 bucks extra. It's almost like, why wouldn't you do it? Just to remind you what SC to LE is going to give you. So SC to LE is about $3,000 upgrade, and then you get a lot. So you do get 20-inch wheels, navigation powered by TomTom, adaptive cruise control, wireless CarPlay, 360 camera, and then also 9-inch screen, because the SC, this screen right here with SC is 8 inches. Starting all the LEs, this screen is 9 inches, so it's bigger, right? And it has navigation powered by TomTom. So sunroof looks beautiful. So there we go. So this is what LEP is, premium upgrade, the interior upgrade only. Like I mentioned before, I will put in video description the previous videos that I've done where I compare ES to SC, then SC to LE, and now this is LE to LEP. So not a big difference, only 500 bucks, but this is such a well spent money. I would definitely recommend it if you're interested. So I'll also show you some shots of the vehicle right now after this video. Enjoy that part. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and on to the next one.